the Silver Hair Homemaker. I'm glad you're here with me today. Today's just going to be a quick video about a very quick, easy lunch idea. I saw this for the first time on a YouTube video probably 1 to 2 years ago. It's the first time I saw it. But shout out to Southern Frugal Mama. I love your YouTube channel. I've been watching you since you first started. So shout out to her for this wonderful, easy recipe. These are going to be the ingredients for my quick lunch today. I've got some garlic Texas toast, some ragu pasta sauce. I don't have pizza sauce, so I had the ragu hanging out in my fridge. It needs to be used. I'm substituting that for the pizza sauce. I do it all the time. It works just fine. We've got turkey pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to put some Italian seasoning and some crushed red pepper on my little mini pizzas. Let's get started assembling this pizza. Okay, I'm going to get started with my mini pizzas. I'm going to start by taking my garlic Texas toast. I'm going to do 2 of these, so you're just going to take 2 pieces of the bread. Pan. And next I'm going to take my sauce. I don't have pizza sauce. I have some ragu pasta sauce that was just hanging out in my fridge. I've used it before in place of pizza sauce. It works just fine. If you don't want sauce, don't use it. But use what you have. No need to run out and buy pizza sauce if you don't have it, because that's not something I eat all the time, so I don't want it hanging around all the time. I just use 1 little spoon. You're just going to spread that all over your bread. And I'm going to take some Italian seasoning, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of Italian seasoning on that. And I'm also going to take a little bit of crushed red pepper. You don't have to put either of these on yours if you don't want to. I just like the flavor. And then I'm going to take my mozzarella cheese. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on each one. And then I'm going to take my pepperoni. I'm using turkey pepperoni. You can use regular pepperoni. Don't put anything at all, just make a cheese pizza. You would want to add a little more cheese. You can use ground beef, you can use sausage, you can use ham, just whatever you want. It's your pizza, so you make it how you want it. But I'm going to be using the turkey pepperoni today. Just place them on your pizza. I'm going to use 6 on each one. I think that's plenty. And that should do it. Okay, now I'm going to take some more cheese. I'm going to put me a little cheese on the top of each one. I'm going to be placing mine in a 425-degree oven. You base your temperature off of what the bread package tells you to cook the bread at. That's the temperature that you want to bake these at. I do have my oven preheating. Now I'm going to add a little bit more of my Italian seasoning and my crushed red pepper to the top of mine. Again, leave those out if you don't like that, or if you don't have it, or if you just simply do not want it on your pizza. Now we're going to take this and I'm going to pop it in a 425-degree oven for about 12 minutes. We'll see you when they're finished. Here are my pizzas, fresh out of the oven. They look delicious. They smell wonderful. But there you go. A quick lunch for one. easy mini pizzas. Don't forget, if you haven't already, go over and check out Southern Frugal Mama. I love her channel. You won't regret it. Even if you're one person, you can get lots of tips and tricks and wonderful ideas from watching Brooke. I'm going to go eat my lunch. Bye, y'all.